Welcome to the Independence Public Library's Storytime Kids instructional video. Today we're going to make a pasta pumpkin craft. What you'll need is the kit from the library, which includes a pre-printed pineapple, some wheel pasta, some green bow tie pasta, paint, and a paintbrush, and 2 white circle dots. What you'll need from home is a marker, some liquid glue like Elmer's, and a newspaper or something that you can paint on and not get your table messy. Go ahead and turn the video off, and when you've gathered your supplies, come back and we'll get started. Let's go ahead and get started with the painting portion of our project. Spread your newspapers on your table, then go ahead and grab your pre-printed pineapple. The bottom portion, well, we're going to paint yellow. The top leafy part of the pineapple, we're going to paint green. So go ahead and open up your paint carefully. I'm going to start with the green part. And paint the green part in on the top of the pineapple, like this. When you finish with that portion, it should look something like this top. Go ahead now, rinse your brush out well. Go ahead and paint the yellow portion in, and then you'll want to set it off to the side to dry. Go ahead and start the video again once you've completed those 2 steps. Welcome back. Now that your painting is dry, go ahead and grab your glue and your pasta pieces. Let's begin to put our guy together. You want to make sure and use plenty of glue on this. Okay. To the top, we're going to put our green bow tie. Arrange that on there. Best you can. Something to that fashion. You're going to want to make sure and let that get good and dry before you stand it up. You can always add a little more glue if it doesn't look like it's going to be enough. You can arrange them on there any way that you think looks the most appealing. It's your pineapple. Any way you put those on there is absolutely perfect. Okay, so there's how I put these on this one. For the bottom part of our pineapple, we'll use the yellow wheel pasta. And again, we want to use plenty of glue. We do want to make sure and leave the inner part of this open so we can make our face on our pasta. So along the outside edges, I'm going to kind of go like this. That's a lot of glue. Okay, so now we want to take our wheel pasta and arrange it on there Again, the way you think it looks the best. Okay, if you want to go ahead and arrange that, stop the video and take care of that and then start the video again, that would be great. When you have your pasta all arranged on there the way you'd like it to be, mine looks something like this. There again, you may want to let it dry before you do much else to it. But the next steps will be to take your two round white stickers and we're going to make these eyes. So what I'm going to do is just put a little marker in the bottom part of the eyes, but you can fill those in any way you'd like. Okay, I'm going to do something like this. Just kind of put like a half circle down in there. Okay, something like that. Okay, then I'm going to put them, arrange those. Oh, let's see. Something like there. And there. Now if you want, you could make a smiley face on the bottom. I like smiley faces. And we'll make kind of a little smile. And there we go. You want to, like I said, you want to make sure and let that dry. Then you'll be able to stand that up, maybe put it on your refrigerator, wherever you'd like to display it. Thank you for joining me. Books that we have at the library that may appeal to you are The Happy Crab by Layla and Kevin Palmer. Smug Seagull by Maddie Frost. And Hum and Swish by Matt Myers. Thank you for joining me today.